Hello guys, welcome back to KFC Gaming. Today I'm going to be doing like finding things in the boat. The front of the boat. They got a jacuzzi. It's deep too. Oh, so deep I can't hang out in here. Cause how are you supposed to relax when you're swimming? I'm gonna try something. It took quite a while to build it. Put some lava under it, it'll get a little bit hot. So if you go water, there, now you can relax. Oh yeah, last time I was finishing my world, then not this world, but I found a zombie. Like I found someone. I found like a zombie, got a knife or sword, and I smacked it with the high powerful sword. I smacked this one, he might. That stuff. Got potatoes. Zombie pig man. So why we spawn this much? I'm not trying to lag my world up. Got all that. Sorry for the lags, because there's so much things to be found on here. Last time my friend said that there was treasure hidden somewhere on here. How many gold did I have? Pretty sure I got a lot of gold from that. Yeah, I got a lot of gold from that. I don't know. Let me try to dig. Alright. Whoa. Sometimes they do hide treasures down. I think I seen something. Whoa. Dark room. Why is it so dark in here? At least get some lights in here. Oh, it's the understairs. Basically, when you're... It's just kind of maze. I hate mazes. Dude, I don't love them. They're so annoying. For real? It's like 100 doors. So, guys, I'll be right back. Pause the video for a little quick. Alright, back again, guys. Think I found something. There's a hole down there. Down here. My friend called me, and I called him. He said it was down chest. Oh, there it is. Whoa. Let's put my map up real quick. Whoa. But if you want to see the real truth, then you have to go to a secondary upload. And if you want to go down to the descriptions, and see the upload, then you'll know the truth. Alright. See you guys. And that's it. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure you drop a like, subscribe, comment. Bye. See you guys in the next video.